What's up guys? Something different this time, not supercars but classic cars. It's my 1956 Desoto Fireflite 4-door hardtop. Currently in restoration. These are some newspapers from inside. I'll do another short little video on that. First here for the wings, well, I'll call them wings, but yeah, first here for the wings and first here for the push button transmission, which I shall send, or I shall demonstrate once I've got the dash in. But so far I've taken the dash out. I'm repainting these panels. I have shot a video of it, but due to technical difficulties the mic ruined the audio, so I'll play that, but I'll play some music in the background so the mic doesn't kind of distract. Oh yeah, so it was the first year for push button transmission, and yeah, it's basically as is. This car's originally from Texas, Houston, Texas, out in the States. Now it's all the way here in, well, it's not sunny today, but sunny South Africa. So yeah, originally the car was was black with a white, so I would almost give it a flick. It flicks up at the back, flick with white roof, but the previous people painted it blue. It should have had the white, because some places you can see the black popping out, such as there and over here. I won't be repainting it black due to the size of the car and paint scratches, paint chips, so it's definitely a no-no for me for the black. Just from previous experiences, even if this it's dirty, but yeah, but I'm gonna go with Dutch blue, royal Dutch blue. It was a DeSoto color, so it will be blue with the white, almost thick and white roof. The motor's out. I have stripped it, just waiting for funds so I can continue with it. But yeah, as I say, I have stripped it, so I'll only know how bad the sleeves are once I've sent it to engineering. But it needs new bearings, it needs new rings, and 430,000 Ks on the clock. It's actually not bad. It's actually quite good still. So yeah, that's completely stripped. Lost the video on that. Yeah, SD card errors. So I've got the gearbox out as well. So yeah, it's getting there. I have wire brushed the whole engine bay, and I've given it a little bit of black paint, just so I don't really have to do that when the time comes when I've got the motor in. So I must still sort out here and everything. Yeah, doing a bit of wiring here and there that I can do. And yeah, if you want, quite interesting history on the car. It went to Mexico in '72. I don't know if you can see it there. There we go. People went on holiday in Mexico, and this car was also used as transporting, I wouldn't say transporting business, but I presume the people's son went to university in this car. So it's not a bad car to go to university with. Original seats, it had these seat covers in. I'll play a video of how I took those off. Well, not really, but yeah, these are these are the seats were covered. I repainted these. As you can see, it's not actually too bad. It came out nice. Better than what it used to be. Door handles are broken. This is the only one that has survived. The car was locked, and whoever decided to break the door handles just to get the car open kind of sucks. So yeah, so you got your brocade and your white. These white inserts I'll be taking out, putting new white vinyl in. For the door cards, you can see they're quite bad. That one's totally gone. This one as well. So what I'll be doing with this, I'll be keeping these to repair the seats if need to be, and then I'll be doing a different brocade pattern, or if I can get an embroidery company to kind of embroider this on a piece of cloth for me, then I think that might work. Put a temporary carpet in. So yeah, you'll see it's kind of rough around the edges, but those are trim pieces for inside. And yeah, these are my tail lights. So I'll need to be either ordering. I won't be ordering genuine ones, because genuine Nospart tail light lenses, 456, for all 6 of them, the 2 white and the 4 red, it costs about $1,900. Definitely not doing that. It's actually more than what I paid for the car anyways. So yeah, no, I've heard of a guy that can remake these lenses, which is not too bad. It's way cheaper than what, $2,000. So it's about what, 50,000 rand. And yeah, not too bad. I've got Chocker classic tires on. I must just have a look what brand or what type they are. If you are looking at getting these, they're really nice. They've got a nice broad, you kind of see the VW key, for size comparison. I don't know my verniers. So yeah, I've got quite a bit to do. I want to try and get it to a show in June. I've started polishing the chrome bits, so I must still get onto this one, but these are very badly pitted. So yeah, as you can see, I've polished this up. I haven't gone that side, so you can see, you can almost see the difference. So yeah, if you're wondering what polish I use, I don't know where I've put it now. Here we go. I use this Brasso. This is still old tin, so I know they have changed it a bit because of the lead and all sorts in the Brasso. So yeah, for brass, copper, stainless steel, pewter, aluminium and chrome. And when it says instant sparkling shine, they definitely tell the truth on that. So this is probably the best stuff to use on chrome bits. I've tried to use like a stainless steel care, and it doesn't give the shine what Brasso gives. So I've done these in Brasso. I have done this in that stainless steel cane. You can kind of see it's not it kind of works but not really. So yeah, so I must still do all of this almost like a mirror image. Yeah, so I'll make another video on the weird finds I've found in the car, from a weird almost a parking ticket, but not really a parking ticket. The newspapers, the small little odds and ends here and there. So it still has an old valve radio. If you want to research what that is, go and do it if you're too young. I'm also a bit young, so yeah. And that's basically it so far. So I'll play a few videos after this of what I've done so far. That dash is quite tricky to get out, and the space is not really that big anyways. So yeah, no, enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoy this.